The fourth letter of the Arabic alphabet. A bowl with 3 dots on top of it. Just a dot extra than the letter ta, the one before it. It's called tha, and it doesn't have a counterpart in the English alphabet. Officially, in Fusha, it's pronounced like T and H in thanks. Tha.
Suffering succotash.
In some accents, in slang, it's pronounced sa, and in others ta, but mostly it's pronounced tha, as in thanks. So, we learned 4 letters so far. How many words can we form? Here's a couple of examples. Bath. See, ba and tha. Bath, which means broadcast or transmission. Another word, thabit. All the 4 letters that we learned in one word. The tha, the alif, the ba, and the ta. Thabit, which means fixed. You know what? Here's a suggestion. Why don't you try to practice by forming other words and see if they exist? Use Google Translate or just Google it. Google the word you come up with to check if it exists or not. So practice that and the letters before it, and I'll see you in the next video.